मैम
पार्टी ना
हाँ मैम एकदा
Matthews. So Kashish really got bigger, and really happy. It's not just about being bigger. I mean, why do we want to kind of spread to 3 venues? Why do we want to make so many shows, so many films? The point is, I think Kashish has now become an important cultural event in Mumbai. People want to see films related to LGBT issues, and we have got 700 entries. Okay, and how many can you reject? So we actually had to program.
This just goes on and on. She's proved that fashion and politics can mix together. We have with us China Enzi.
Let me tell you, from the time I have entered Liberty Cinema, I sense only one thing, and that is warmth. The way you greet each other, really, I think it's a learning for the leadership of this country to realize that you need to come to Kashish and these kind of interactions to realize what being progressive is and what being inclusive is. Saying this as a wannabe politician, I just want to say, Sridhar, thank you for teaching me how to be inclusive and progressive.
Thank you so much.
And in the days to come, all I can say that you will have a lot of resistance, you will have lots of people who have varied opinions. I will assure you that I will stand for you all and stand with you all in issues that you want raised. Let me complete, because now you may move. Whether I succeed or not is another issue, but I will try my best. And having said that, I think more than trying and more than proving a point, it's just about expressing to the whole society that there are all types of people, and genuine unity starts only when we accept each other with all our differences. And I think Kashish is the one platform that gives creativity this kind of a forum where you can say what you want, feel what you want, and feel it with warmth. So thank you all for having me here.
Thank you so much, Diana. In fact, like what the message you carried is exactly the theme of this year's Kashish, which is reaching out, touching hearts. So I would request you to present the Rainbow Warrior Award. Maya, can you please come? Can I get the mic?
Sidhu, award direct. निकल रहा है?
Really excited that I can take this award on behalf of Betu. Betu, whenever she used to do something, she just did it from her heart. And I think this award is just an acknowledgement that when you do things from your heart, it just makes a difference. And I think that's what we all should do a little bit. But it's really an acknowledgement that you have to do things from your heart and just do when you feel that you need to do something. Now, since I'm taking this on behalf of Betu, I was wondering, like, what would she say? And first of all, I think she would be really, really thrilled. She somehow laughed the limelight, even though she was quite shy. And I think she wanted, what she would have definitely done is to thank a few people, and there are a few people she really admired and she looked up to. So I would just like to, you know, tell you who this was. One was, of course, Anjali Gopalan, who helped Sangiri to set up the helpline and the support group. And she was always there when we were in trouble. She's still there when I'm in trouble. And of course, the lawyers of the Lawyers Collective were always there when we needed that kind of legal, you know, the legal support. And there was, of course, Ashok Kavi, whom she used to shout at all the time, but she really, really used to admire the way he has like gotten together so many people in Mumbai, and she always wanted to do the same in Delhi. And she always used to tell me that how much she admires him. And well, thank you for being who you are.
Your property. Thank you so much, Shaina. Really appreciate you coming. And thank you so much, Maya. And actually, Maya.
And one thing, we all must collectively thank Liberty Cinema. I think it's the most fabulous venue to have this film festival.
Thank you so much. Really a pleasure. Thanks a lot. So, over to Atya.
So, you know, when the team of Kashish told me that Atya, you have to co-host this ceremony, I was like, okay, I will do it. But they told me, you have a very good-looking co-host, you know, who's going to do it along with you. I'm like, oh, who is he? And then they were like, oh, he's a celebrity, you know. And I'm like, it's he. And I'm like, where is he now? So, ladies and gentlemen, I invite Satwik, my co-host.
My word, celebrity, where did you get that one from?
Well, your pictures were splashed all over Times of India, weren't they? After the opening ceremony of Kashish.
Yes, well, so technically they only made it to page 9, and yes, I'll admit I dragged and I liked it. You know.
You want to say a few words?
Please do.
I've just come off the stage myself. Kashish is very close to my heart. It all started many years ago with Ashok Rao Kavi, who I even launched Bombay Toast for them, if he remembers still. And since then, I've had Sridhar, who's been pursuing me, and I've been here every year, and I try and support them as much as I can in any way I can. And it's a terrific thing. They have all my support, and I will continue to do that. And I've loved being here. I've loved the people. I've met so many lovely people. This time, it's wonderful. We've had houseful shows for quite a few films. It's just wonderful being a part of it. And I wish them all the very best, and call on me whenever you want. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, unfortunately, Niharika isn't in Mumbai. She's Delhi-based and she couldn't make it today. So, we have Anand, the volunteer, who is going to accept the award on her behalf. Anand, if I could have you on stage.